Welcome everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating an internal knowledge automation project developed by Decotex. This system allows any company to store its internal documents, policies, and operational knowledge in a structured way and then retrieve accurate answers instantly through an AI-powered chatbot. Throughout this walkthrough, I will show you how both components work, the document storage workflow that organize company knowledge, and the retrieval chatbot workflow that responds to users' query in real time. Let's get started. The first part of this workflow is the document ingestion pipeline. This is the database collection in which the company data will be stored later on. This is the document which we are going to upload in the vector store. Now let's execute the workflow. I started the workflow manually to load the company knowledge document. The Drive node downloads the document. The default data loader node extracts readable text from the document. The recursive text splitter breaks the document into small overlapping chunks. Now let's check the collection. Finally, all chunks are stored inside the n8n vector database. This becomes a long-term memory for the chatbot. Now the system is ready to answer the questions about the company. The second part of this workflow handles incoming user questions and generates accurate answers using the stored knowledge. The user sends a question through the n8n chat. Later on, we can implement it into the website. This is the sheet where the chat logs will be saved later on. The AI agent uses Gemini as the language model. The data has been stored in the sheet successfully. The Decotex is a software development and IT service company. Let's ask some other questions. We are also getting the Slack notifications about the queries for the real-time updates. Yes, we offer the mobile applications. Let's ask the last question. So this was a complete walkthrough of the Decotex company knowledge chatbot built using n8n, Qdrin, Google Gemini, and Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.